Hey everybody, Liberty Firearms is introducing the Triple Threat Handgun Mastery Shooting Target. Hey, fun drill here. I'm going to go over it really quick. 3 phases to make you a triple threat, as we're calling it. First phase is marksmanship, this top level here. Okay, we have to get 5 out of 7 hits to pass. Before we cover distances or times, we're just going with the hits here. So 5 out of 7 hits in here to pass phase 1's marksmanship. Once you pass those skills, we move to phase 2, which is defensive shooting skills. From here, we're going to do what's called a double tap, fire 2 rounds, bang bang, in A here. We're going to reload a magazine, okay, and then fire again, bang bang, 1 in B and 1 in C. That equals 1 time through. We're going to do it 3 times through here. So bang bang, reload, bang bang, stop, take a breath. Do it again. Bang bang, reload, bang bang. Okay, 10 out of 12 hits to pass to phase 3. So when we say hits, we're talking about in these targets, right? For phase 1 in these, phase 2 in here. Now if you miss the target, that's okay. You get 2 mulligans, if you will, on this one, because you need 10 out of 12 in the circles, right? If you miss any off paper, you're disqualified. You have to start again. So when in doubt up here, aim a little lower, right? When in doubt over here, aim a little bit to the left to help yourself out. So 5 out of 7 to pass phase 1 marksmanship, 10 out of 12 to pass phase 2 defensive shooting skills, and then we go to phase 3, which is versatility of our fundamentals. Single hand shooting, strong hand 5 rounds, weak hand 5 rounds. We have to get let me double check here, make sure I say it right. It was 8 out of 10. That's right, 8 out of 10 in the circle here. If it misses, you get 2 chances, mulligans. Again, don't go off paper or you're disqualified. Okay, now once we get that, let's say you just do it at 2 yards. Once you can pass that, you pass it, we go on to our levels. So level 1 is at 3 yards, no time, no drawing, to do what I just explained. And you'll see the level legend here that goes all the way up, and a scoring legend right here. Goes all the way from level 1, which we consider a competent beginner, someone that can do quite well at 3 yards finishing this. Okay, we go all the way up to our instructor levels, which are at 7 yards, and they are timed, and you have to draw from outside the waistband at level 4 or inside the waistband concealed at level 5. So when we go to score this, your first question is, did you pass? No shots off paper that would dequalify you, and did you get the minimums? 5 out of 7, 10 out of 12, 8 out of 10. Then you passed. Great. Now you score that pass. Okay, so right here, our scoring legend, we have 10 points per hit. We have, when you're doing the times, we have minus 20 per 1 second you went over. So folks, that's a basic overview. I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions. One final thing, let's say you DQ'd on phase 2. You can redo phases 2 and 3 1 time per paper. You can redo phases 1 as long as you can keep seeing the circles and shooting them. Okay, for example, I pass phase 1, I go to phase 2, I shoot 1 off paper. I can redo phase 2 1 time, put tape on it, redo it 1 time, make sure you have a witness there, and same thing with phase 3. Okay, we're gonna have shooting challenges and prizes and discounts, so make sure if you're doing this drill, you're filming it, that we see the yardage, we see your times, you have a witness there with you, and we're gonna be handing out some prizes. Thanks guys, we'll see you soon.